Good afternoon, children. Today's topic is peacock. Let us learn how to make a peacock. First fold for your peacock is triangle fold. After triangle fold, open your fold. You will get a line. So with the help of center line, you will make a rocket fold. After making this rocket fold, close your craft. After closing, hold your craft in this position, children. See, your line should be straight. See. Okay, see. After this, you have to match this line, children. You have to get this point according to this line. Now see how I am getting it down. You don't have to get it here. You have to give little space. See, while holding, get the point here and just pull it this side. You can see that your line is getting matched with this point. This way, and then press it. After pressing this, open your fold. You will get a line. See. After this, with the help of this marking line, you have to open your fold this way. Not inside portion, back side it is. Okay, you will get V over here. Now you have to hold this V and you have to put this part inside. You have to make this invert. Now how you are going to do? Now see, you only have to hold this line till the center point. Children, see, this way and press it. After this, lift this side, come to this side. Same till center. Then hold this both the points and close it. After closing, press it. See, children. The fold will go inside and you will get the invert fold. After this, to make a head of peacock, hold your craft in your hand. With the help of thumb and the pointer finger, you have to pull this upwards. See. After pulling this up, you can even see, after pulling also you can shake this head. So you have to arrange, children, before giving it grip. Now how you are going to arrange? If it is somewhat like that, then this is wrong because your craft must come straight. See, if you will press this, then this is not straight. This should be straight with this. So what you are going to do is pull little downwards to get it straight. See. And when you feel it is straight, press it. Now how to make beak of your peacock? Again same, put thumb part inside and the pointer up and pull this inside, children. Pull this inside. See. After it moves inside, with the help of the center line, hold it like this and press it. Hold it like this and press it. See, children, your peacock is ready. So your peacock is ready. Children, take a pencil to draw a detailed work. Children, see, you have to take a center point from here. See, this is my center. From here, little distance ahead, I am giving a point. So from that point to this point, you have to make a slanting line. See. After that, you have to draw a curved line to make a feather. See children. After making this line, take scissor. With the help of scissor, you have to cut these lines. See children, this is how your peacock is going to look. Now more detailing we are going to do. Here you have to draw eyes of your peacock. So eyes, then do feathers, inside one more circle, make one line. See this way children. Okay. After this, now how to stick. Take a paper in vertical, keep it vertically children. Okay. Then give one margin, draw one margin, write date 3720, a peacock. Before you stick this peacock children, first show the background. For that, I am making a grass. Show a pond. Show again a land. You can show pebbles. And then small grasses again. Then sun, and then stick your peacock. Your peacock is ready. Color the background with attractive colors and send it in your group. Thank you.